Oh my, what's this? What's happening here? Stay with me guys and I'll tour you around several places in Shanghai, China. This is one of the most underrated places where I've been to and you will know why. This is part 1 of my series of Shanghai vlogs. We're in for an adventure this week. We're going to Shanghai. Nagkataon na I have a business trip. And so this is a great opportunity para makapag-vlog tayo at maipasyal ko kayo sa lugar na yun. And this is gonna be my first time in Shanghai. Kaya excited talaga ako. After seeing all those pictures of places like the Bund and vlogs about that place also. Grabe, parang amazing yung ganda ng lugar. So let's see guys. So right now I'm still here at Changi Airport in Singapore and my flight is at 9:30. What time is it now? I think it's only 8:55, so meron pa tayo 30 minutes. Okay? Pero nandito tayo sa boarding area. Okay, so I think the flight is around 5 hours and a half. Tagal, grabe. Ang dali ko pa naman maboard sa airplane. Anyway, so sige, mamaya ulit. So yan guys, namigay sila ng hot towel. Kanina pagdaan ng stewardess, akala ko pagkain na binibigay. Yung pala towel. And they also provided small pillow. So dito na lang meron din silang blanket. Kailangan ko to kasi I'm only wearing shorts. See? And thin shirt. So mamaya lamigin ako. I'm in a Singapore Airlines flight and I chose to be on the last row aisle seat so I can frequently stand up and walk around a bit. Anyway, remember guys, before going to China, any part of China, make sure that you've set up the Alipay on your mobile device because it's mostly cashless in China. That is what you will use to make payments. So link your bank account or credit card in advance para di na kayo mahirapan once you've reached the place. So you can make immediate payment transactions without any hassle. Guys, my hands aren't shaky. It's the turbulence. Grabe ang lakas ng turbulence. Ayan, paano ba kakain dito? Lakas ng turbulence. Guys, finally, dito na tayo sa Shanghai. We are at Pudong Airport. I managed to get all my luggage already and went past the immigration. So, grabe yung ride. The ride was so bumpy. I mean, grabe yung turbulence. Ang daming turbulence on the way here. And even when we were eating, right, when we were having our meals, grabe rin yung turbulence. Ang gulo. Just like, it's like a combination of riding a jeepney in the Philippines plus the Ferris wheel. Just imagine that. Grabe kahilo. But anyway, so after what do you call that? Alighting from the plane, right? And then on your way to the immigration, you will see some machines where you can do your self biometric checking. Okay. Yung mga fingerprints nyo, left hand, right hand, thumb, ganyan. So you can do it on your own. Even before going through the immigration, it's advisable for you to go through that self biometric validation. Okay? And then pagdating sa immigration, wala naman tanong-tanong, basta pakita nyo lang yung visa nyo and also your what do you call that, the fingerprint that you did, And that was it. Okay. So ngayon, punta tayo dito sa parang duty free nila. I just want to check some things here. So, ayan ang kanilang duty free. Okay. Just want to check what is in here. Saka kung mas mura ba. Ano bang conversion na yun? By the way, mamaya tuturo ko sa inyo, especially to those of you coming from Singapore and you wanna come here to Shanghai or any part of China, right? Like how do you go about getting an internet access or Wi-Fi or what do you call that? Roaming ba, or what other options do you have? Okay, especially if you want to have what do you call that? VPN access. Okay. So kasi guys, kapag pumunta kayo dito and you just use their local Wi-Fi, or if you buy a SIM here, okay, walang VPN access yun. Meaning to say, hindi kayo makakapag-access ng mga Facebook, what else, Google, okay, and parang limited lang, wala rin Instagram, ganyan. So you really need VPN. Okay. Pero what I did was this. Let me show you. I rented this pocket Wi-Fi router from Changi, okay? From Changi Airport. Okay, so you can rent this. So this is like good for, I think, 7 to 8 hours. The battery here, it'll last you for 7 to 8 hours. Okay, so Wi-Fi siya na may VPN na. So pagdating dito sa China, on nyo lang yung router, tapos kumonekta kayo sa Wi-Fi. Okay, just switch it on and then you can already connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, they will provide you with a password of course. Okay, and so I'm renting this starting today until August 3. Actually, August 3 early morning, I'll be arriving in Singapore, and they charge me $100+ later. I'll tell you the exact amount. Okay, but anyway, so lalabas na muna tayo dito sa airport. Okay, lalabas na tayo sa customs declaration kapag pagkatapos mong kunin yung mga gamit mo. And I really don't know what to do now. I don't know where to go. This is my first time here. Hindi ko alam kung paano kumuha ng taxi. And in the first place, kasi from my understanding, they discourage you from using cash here, and most of the time they only accept like Alipay or WeChat. So I have Alipay and I already linked my cards there. However, I've never tried it yet because when I tested it in Singapore, it didn't work. Ayaw gumana. So may dala akong extra cash ngayon. I brought some extra cash with me and I haven't really changed yet to RMB. Anyway, gusto ko muna maghanap ng shop ngayon at subukan yung Alipay before I go for the taxi ride. So, ito, I see a Family Mart in front of me. There's a Family Mart. So, let's try to buy something. Let's try to buy something using Alipay. Gusto ko munang masubukan kung gagana yung Alipay. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano bang pwede kong bilhin dito. Let's see what I can buy. Just any item, probably water or what, and bread. Dali, tingnan natin. Kasi talagang mahirap kapag na-stuck sa dito. Kapag mamaya na sa taxi tas ayaw pala gumana ng Alipay. Ano ba? Tingnan natin. What is this? This one looks nice. Okay. Let's see. And I'll take a drink also. I just get water kasi yung biyahe papunta sa hotel will take about an hour. Okay? Sorry. Can't find any water here. Okay, let's just get this juice. I don't know what this is. It's strawberry juice. Yung mga gamit ko iniwan ko dun sa labas. So, tingnan natin kung gagana yung Alipay dito. Hopefully, it does. Okay? Haha, success guys! Gumana yung Alipay. Finally, gumana siya. Sa Singapore kasi ayaw gumana eh. Pero dito gumana. So, I linked my DBS ATM. DBS account dun sa Alipay. Nag-link din ako sa Citibank. Pero ang ginamit ko yung DBS. Tapos, yun gumana siya. Nakabili ako. Okay, so magta-taxi na tayo. Harap na tayo ng taxi kasi isang oras pang biyahe papuntang hotel. Okay? So yan, finally nasa taxi na tayo. Grabe. So, wait. The arrival hall is on the second floor. Tapos bababa lang kayo ng first floor to take the taxi. So may mga pila doon. Tapos maayos naman, mabilis. Actually, there wasn't a long queue at all. There wasn't a queue at all, by the way, guys. So just a tip, okay, especially for those of you who cannot speak Chinese. So what I suggest is, for those places that you intend to go to here in Shanghai, in China, any part of China, like your hotel, even the airport, and other places, you better research the equivalent name in Chinese characters, okay, so that you can just show it to the taxi driver, like in my case. Yeah, see this, see that. So I'm going to Nanyang Marriott Hotel, and this is the equivalent in Chinese characters for this hotel. So this is what I showed to the driver. Dapat ganyan gagawin nyo. Otherwise, if you don't do that, you won't be understood. You will have a difficult time here. Okay, so to make it easy, you can use Google Translate or whatnot, but how sure are you that the name is translated correctly? Okay? Especially if it's not really a common English name. I mean, if it's not really like a common name, so if they convert it to Chinese, it might be different. Okay, so mas mabuti na yung research in advance. Okay, so better research in advance. Okay, so what else? Dito tayo, bumabiyahe pa, no? I think this will take about 1 hour. So there's a train. Let me show you. Dito tayo sa highway ngayon. Eh, ewan ko kung anong highway yan. Wala naman nakita mga buildings. I see a Holiday Inn Express Hotel over there. Wow, guys. I can't believe that I'm in Shanghai now. I mean, this is my first time here. So yun lang. Sana makarating tayo ng medyo maaga sa hotel. I mean, oras pa. But oh my goodness. It's already 5 o'clock. So, most likely we'll be in the hotel around 6 o'clock. So, anong oras pa ako? Kung gusto ko man mamasyal sa Daban, anong oras pa makakarating doon. So, let's see how. Okay. And finally, we reached our destination. The funny thing was, just a few seconds ago, I was asking the driver what time he would be arriving, and he understood me because I used Google Translate, but he couldn't say it to me properly, and I couldn't understand him. And then finally, yeah, after a while, we just reached this place. So ito na yung Marriott Minhang Courtyard. Ayan. This is it.
到达上海紫竹万怡酒店附近，目的地在您右侧。本次导航结束。
Oh, may mall na katabi. May mall na katabi. I see a mall beside it. There. There, oh. Okay, my room number is 606. Tingnan natin. Dito lang yan kasi ito na 608. 607, so 606 should be there. Okay, See, what time is it? It's already 6:29. I asked the reception a while ago how long the travel time is going to the Bond, and she told me it's about 50 minutes to 1 hour. It's 30 kilometers away from here. So let's see, because I still need to unpack my things. So probably makakalis ako dito ng mga, probably I can leave around 6:30. Then I'll reach there around 7:30. Let's see, konting tingin-tingin lang. Okay, because I see just right across this hotel, I see a building like a small mall. There's a small building there that according to the reception is a mall, but there are just few shops there. So anyway, let's see how. Nasa lobby tayo ng Marriott. I will tour you in this hotel next time, okay? But because now I'm really rushing to go to the Bond. Which is interesting. See, having some mooncakes. Okay. Anyway, so I managed to use the DD app in Alipay to go there. Okay, so I'm just waiting for DD app. It's like Grab. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the driver. See, okay. Just waiting for the driver to come. Okay, it takes about, I don't know, it's 35 kilometers. I really hope na medyo mabilis yung travel. It's already 7:20, so I'll be arriving there at around 8. Wala lang, sightseeing lang. Tingnan lang natin yung lugar because, well, it should be great there because since it's nighttime, then you see all the lights there, right? Different colors. And, oh, my driver is already here. Where is it? Okay, my driver is already here. Let's see the plate number. It's AC55679 there. I'm seeing it now. There's my driver. There. Oh, this is the mall that I'm talking about. I was talking about. Hi. Sige, mamaya na lang ulit. I don't exactly know what that is saying, but this bridge looks really nice. See? So I guess, I don't know, probably we're entering the major city or a major place here. It's nice. Malapit na tayo sa pupuntahan natin. We're almost there. Because I can see all these nice buildings in front of me already. See? Grabe, kanina pa kami na-stuck dito sa traffic. I've been stuck here on traffic for I think more than 30 minutes already. The traffic here is really bad. Yeah. But you see all those skyscrapers? Parang kaya-kaya ng lakarin yun eh. This spot is where we are right now. At dun tayo pupunta. We are going there. Okay, it's just one straight route. The traffic is just so bad. Okay, so nag-offer na rin ako na lakarin ko na lang yan. I think I can just walk. And besides, it's already 8:35 and I'm very hungry. I want to eat first. My goodness. I haven't eaten yet. Traffic sobra. Baka na lang ako dito. I'll just walk. I'd rather walk than, be stuck there inside the car. But I wonder where I can eat now. Hanap tayo ng restaurant. Hanap tayo ng makakainan dito na masarap-sarap. Okay. Let's see. to show you guys kung saan ako naglalakad ngayon. See here, Fusion Bistro, Italian restaurant. I guess the bun is already there. There's the bun. I'm seeing it. Grabe pala kadami tao dito. There are really like so many people here. See, oh. See? Let's just cross the street now before it's too late. Wow. See? Well, this is the place. Grabe, dami lang tao. Ang gulo, grabe, no? Oh my goodness. Because it's a Saturday night, that's why. What do you expect? Saan ba tayo aakyat? Wow! Grabe. Grabe, see that? Grabe. Ang daming tao. Oh my goodness. Can't believe it. See? Let's climb up this staircase and so you'll see, guys. Oh my, what's this? What's happening here? Grabe, ang gulo. Ang gulo, ang pangit. Dami tao, grabe. Pero, see that? Of course, guys, the view here is really awesome. It's just that sa sobrang dami ng mga tao, parang di mo ma-enjoy. Grabe. Parang di mo ma-enjoy. Eto guys, dito na lang ako tumayo sa parang platform. Parang elevated level. Yan, kasi pakita ko sa inyo ha. Pakita ko sa inyo how bad it is. Ayan no, see that? Kita nyo? Kita nyo kung gaano kadami tao dyan. See? See how many the people are? See how crowded it is? Oh my. Grabe. But yeah, as I was saying a while ago, ang ganda talaga ng lugar. Ang ganda yung kanyang, ang ganda yung skyline, ang ganda yung mga buildings. Kala mo, yeah, it's really like out of this world. Pero talagang sobrang ganda siguro nito kapag konti lang ang tao. Tapos, yun nga, maganda yung view. Home goods na. I'm so hungry already. I need to go. I need to leave this place. I think I'll just come back. Yeah, not I think. Most likely I'll just come back here tomorrow during the day. I don't know if it's gonna be worse because it's a Sunday. But let's see. Because I don't have any other time to come here anymore. From Monday to Friday, I'll be very busy already with work. Guys, yung Wangpu River Cruise Ticket Office. So if you wanna go on a river cruise, diyan kayo bibili. Okay? That's where you purchase your tickets. Anyway, where am I going now? I'm looking for that, I don't exactly know where, but I'm looking for that street na parang a street with lots of malls and shops. Oh, they have Luckin Coffee here, of course. But anyway, how do I go there? I wonder how. It's like a street with lots of boutiques, restaurants, bars. So I don't exactly know what I'm looking for. I just saw it in the vlog, but I don't know the street. Let's see. Ay, nako, ewan. It should be somewhere perpendicular to this. Perpendicular to where I am. Wow. The smell of the coffee is so nice. My goodness. Especially as I'm hungry. Talagang kailangan kong kumain. Grabe, no? Grabe kadami tao. Imagine that. Grabe sa kaya. Saan kayang restaurant ako napadpad ngayon? No, I was just like, just walking to nowhere. Basically, I didn't know where I would be going. And I was just following the road. And just hoping I knew that I'd see a restaurant. And finally, I did. And so I don't know where exactly I am. I just saw this restaurant. I ordered my food already. I just used, the menu, the pictures in the menu to order because everything is in Chinese. So I really couldn't understand. So I just relied on the pictures, and I also used a bit of Google Translate. Anyway, I ordered noodles. I don't know if it's chicken cutlet or pork cutlet. Then dumpling. I think xiaolongbang. So let's see how. Ito na yung una kong in-order na noodles. Okay. Grabe, ang dami pala. Umorder pa ako ng 2 pang meals. I ordered 2 other meals. Grabe, bahala na. Let's taste it. Sarap. It's delicious. I like it. I'm enjoying it, guys. And guys, isa pa. The other one that I ordered, I think this is chicken cutlet. If I'm not mistaken, it's chicken. I don't know if it's chicken or it's pork. Regardless, let's try it. Tingnan natin kung chicken siya or pork siya. I think it's chicken. 10:15 p.m. I'm here in front of a certain bank called Huaxia Bank. Okay. So I called the Grab, not Grab, sorry. They call it DD. They call it DD Ride. Okay. It's inside the Alipay app. You have there several apps. So one of them is DD app. So it's like equivalent to Grab. Okay. So since most of the establishments here are written in Chinese, so I look for a place with an English translation. So there behind me, it says Huaxia Bank. Okay. So this is where I asked the driver to pick me up. Okay. So now I'm waiting for it. It says here in the app it's 2.4 kilometers away from where I am. And aside from that, I bought 2 bottles of red wine na inumin ko mamaya sa hotel. So that's it guys for part 1 of this Shanghai vlog. Despite the crowded place, the overcrowded place, the view here at the pond is still fantastic and worth seeing definitely. But then again, as I mentioned, it's better to come here during the winter as surely it will be less crowded and of course the overall feeling will be different. It will be sentimental, memorable, and just beautiful. I can imagine. Okay, I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. Thank you for staying with me to watch and listen all throughout. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye.